track, boy.
Welcome back to another YouTube video, guys. Right, today I have something special for you guys. Well, I take that back, special for me. But you guys are gonna have fun. Basically, the plan is, if you guys know me, if you guys follow me on my Instagram, on my social medias, blah blah blah, right, you'll understand that I have a few cars. I like cars, I'm a petrol head. But I'm not a maniac. Do you know how people sit there and they tell me, oh, I've got these HR springs and X amount of intake and this and that. I don't know what you're talking about. More time I'll just be like, I know what you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking about. I just know power, I know torque, I know the car, I like it, it looks good, it's fast, I have control. That's what I'm about. That's it, right? So if you follow me on my Instagram, you'll know I have a few cars, right? I change my cars like a lot of people will change their underwears. But at the same time, I do get bored of them. So what, right now at the moment, I've got a current car which I'm daily in. It is a Mercedes C63 Amg W205. So it's a 2016, end of 2016, 2017. Spec-wise, I know spec-wise, very good. I was happy with it, hence why I bought it. I got it for cheap. I got it from one of my guys. He bought it from trade, whatnot, he's a trader. He obviously called me, he goes, look, car's come through, very nice car, if you want it, take it. I've bought it, I've done a bit of mods to it or whatnot, but as I said, I've put it on my social media, I'll put it on my Instagram and stuff, so if you guys want to follow it, follow my Instagram, I'll put it down below. You'll see all the behind the scenes and blah 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 and all the crap that we get up to. Anyways, so today the plan is we're gonna go to PSO. As always, you know PSO, it's family to me. We're gonna go to PSO, right? We're gonna go stage 2 on it. So currently I think I've got a stage 1 on it. I know I got a stage 1 on it, but I think I'm pushing around 570, 580 brake, but I haven't dynoed it. It's just the numbers, the generic map is on there, blah blah blah, whatever. So we're gonna go stage 2 today. We're gonna do the downpipes, we're gonna do all of that, whatever. Like I said, I don't know about all of that, but I'll leave it with Said Bhai. He will do with all of that. What we're gonna do is we're gonna chuck you on a dyno, so we'll actually know what figures it's pushing. But you know what, I'm telling you guys right now, don't grill me, don't hate me. If you say, oh, that's a crap map, oh, you should get this, you should get, I don't care, it's my car. I'm happy with it. If I am, if I'm not, I will tell him to tune it up a bit more, not a problem. But he is my mentor, he is my tuning guy, I leave everything to him, I trust him with my heart, I trust him with my cars. He is my pride and joy, obviously. But you never know, I might get bored of it soon, I might change it again. Right, so if you follow me, let me show you the car, right? So this is my pride and joy, man. So it's a W205 C63 Amg, right? I've done a few stuff to it, like I said. It's just cosmetic, nothing interior, nothing, all of the mods and stuff like that. I've just done, like I said, I've put the, it's just a gloss black because I couldn't get in stock. I got a diffuser with the shark fins. I've got the F1 light in the middle, so when I brake it flashes and all of that, right? I've got the carbon ducktail spoiler at the back. If you come around, oh, I've done my number plates from Signature in Luton. My guy Zia Bhai, love you. I've bought 20-inch Jap racers. There you go, Jap racers. The front and back, but the offset on these are different. So the 20 inches, the offset on the rears are I think 10.5 Js and the fronts are 8.5 Js. Because when it came with the stock wheels, the car was sliding everywhere. It just wouldn't catch no grip. Even if I had nice tires, even if I had good tires or whatnot. Right now I've got Michelin Pilot Sport 4s and 1010, love it. Right, you come around, I've got the calipers done in the same paint, whatnot, blue and blue. I thought it looked sick. I got the splitter, the carbon splitter from CT Carbons. Got that done. Once again, the shorter number plate is illegal, guys. Don't follow me because you will get in trouble. But I don't care. It looks nice. That's it. Right. And yeah, basically that's it. I've got from factory. It's got a very good spec. As I said earlier, it is disgusting right now because the weather's horrendous. And I just washed it earlier as well, and it's already dirty. Spec wise, I've got the performance exhaust from factory, so I've got the little button in the middle where I can turn the valves. I can open and close the valves. Valves closed. seats, if you look at it, I've got the black and white interior. On the inside, it's got comfort access, it's got push start, it's got the pan roof, it's got the what else has it got? It's got the cruise control, lane assist, all of that stuff, heads up display, and then in the middle, once I jump in, I'll show you. I've got the little clock thing in the middle as well. The only thing I personally think is lacking in is the carbon interior, but personally, like I said, I'm not really fussed, man. Like, it's a nice car, I like it. So my car, I enjoy it the way it is. Anyways, so what we're gonna do, right? I'll tell Jay, my guy, to show you guys around the car quickly, so you guys can actually see without me interrupting you. See how it is, whatnot. Comment down below what you guys think of my setup. If you guys think, like I said, some people hate, some people love it. If you guys think I should add something else, I do need the side skirts, I'll be honest with you, I do need the side skirts, but in my previous car, I had another car with my daily, which was a little Cupra. I put side skirts on, but every time I was jumping in and out of the car, I kept kicking it, I kept breaking it, so like, I'm not really bothered, I'll be honest with you. But as I said, other than that, oh yeah, I've done the kidney grille, sorry. I've changed the grille on it, I've put the chameleon tint on it at the front as well. That is legal, by the way, so no one can grill me on it. And yeah, that's it. But like I said, today we're gonna go to PSO, we're gonna do our stage 2, we're gonna do the downpipes, he's gonna do the intercooler, he's gonna do all of that stuff, and we're gonna chuck in the dyno, see what it comes up to. Fingers crossed, man. I hope I get good numbers. Jay, show them around the car. Right, so I was meant to be at PSO at 2 o'clock. Just for you guys, it's 3 o'clock. We're late at being late. Follow me and then we'll have some fun, guys. Right, so we're going to PSO. Right, PSO Tuning. It's in Dagenham. Right, if you need anything from there, whatnot, just remember, contact them, call HST, and they'll look after you. Because that's like I've always said, they're family to me, man. Right, so we're here in Dagenham, East London, PSO Tuning, my family, my guys. So let's go see the team, right? And then we find out obviously what the plans are, what he wants to do. As I said, I've left it all on him. Trust him with my car, trust him with my pride and joy, man. So follow me, guys. Right, so apparently, said by said, there's 2 types of downpipes in my car. You've either got the normal downpipes, and then the other one, which are the heat shield one. They look better apparently, as well as they're a lot better for the car. But a lot of people were his customers, he's saying, he's been going for normal downpipes because no one wants to spend the extra money. But me personally, I've always turned around and said I want the best for the best, because it's not like I'm buying a car, doing it, selling the car, blah blah whatever, right? So if you come with this, these are the heat shield downpipe that's going onto my car. Alright. And that's the rest of the set. Right, so while Andrew is doing my downpipes and all the other stuff, I thought instead of wasting time, I'll do the read, get the file ready and everything for the stage 2 plus with the pops and bang. See all of this? This is what happens when you carry on doing burnouts. All the tire thread is in, mate. So, got our figures, right? It is almost 9 o'clock. These guys close at 6:30. This is why I call them family. See, they stayed back for me, they've done everything. We got flames out. Say bye.
Oh, wait.
My friend, thank you so much for everything. Honestly, you're a star. If you guys need anything, you know where to come. PSO, give HST as a code, they'll give you 25% off. I haven't even spoken to them about it, but you're gonna get 25% off. But yeah, we managed to get almost just under 650 brake horsepower, right? Very impressive, because he was telling me, no, don't say that, because it's gonna be under 630. But he gave me the best service ever. Honestly, guys, if you guys need your tuning, mechanics, servicing, whatever, exhaust works, he's the guy, man. He's your guy. Say it bye. That's it, bro. Thank you so much, man. Look after yourself.
Thank you. Yeah.
Guys, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, please. We are new, obviously. Like I said, I'm not trying to do this for whatever. It's just fun. It's all games, whatnot. So give me a comment down below what you guys want to see next. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and thumbs up. Take care.